For your game, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Double Image. I'm Dale, and today I'll be doing the unboxing of my Amazon lamp, my Wizamic light, ring light. Alright, let's go. Can you bring it up? I'm gonna give it a little close so I can unbox. You can see me, or half of me. And it says, Wizamic. This is supposed to be newer. Let's open this instruction set. Okay, yeah, the installation instructions that I will be following. Right after I unbox this, okay. Put this inside. Now we can go from here. Okay, guys. This is a stand that is going to be on. Wow, look at that. Put it all down like that. Nice stand. And it has these little nozzles on it. You can see where you adjust it. How tall, I'm going to put this on the floor. How tall I may want it to be. Wow, it goes up there. I guess I'll stop it right here since it's already so tall. Turn the nozzles on all three. Boom, boom, boom. Sitting up on the floor. Alright, what do we have in here? Wow. This says Wizamic. See everybody? Has its own carrying case. I like this. Okay, and what's inside of it? This is everything. It's so roomy. And it smells good. In this little container we have the cord. I'm going to undo these. And this light here was about $85 plus tax. So it was about a good, close to 90 bucks. Okay, I can get this undone. While I'm doing this, guys, how about a fun fact? Did you know the ring light was invented by Lester A. Dine in 1952? He invented this light. He used the light for dental photography. And these lights, these ring lights, are commonly used in the fields of dental, beauty, photography, and now we do it for vlogging and videoing. It has so many other uses now. The ring light's purpose is to cast an even light around the subject, the person, whoever, you know, they're putting the light on. And it is to minimize blemishes and everything that may be on this person's face or something like that. It's to minimize blemishes, and it illuminates the eyes, you know. So thanks to Lester A. Dine, we now have ring lights. All right. Okay, I got this loose, and we have these phones and props. These different ones. I guess this one right here is for your phone, where you can stretch it out and have your phone in it and move it different ways, and it goes up here where it can be unscrewed, and then when it's unscrewed at the top is where you can unscrew these things. Yes, it's like a ball. Well, let me look at the directions first to be sure. Okay, this is to stay on this one, and it has so many of them. I have 3. I guess for a different size cell phone, or however many you're going to have attached to this ring light. Okay, we're going to put this back on. We have a remote that comes with it. See? And it has different ones where the light can be at 320K. I take it back, 3200K, 4400K, and 50. Sorry about that. And 5600K. It has a B plus, B minus, C plus, C minus on and off button. And now we have the ring itself. This is a 14-inch ring light. UV for sure. I take that back. This is an 18-inch ring light. Wow, look at it. Look at my face. I can't wait to use it. In the back it has where all these go. You screw them in one by one. Put this down. Screw this one in. And screw this one in. The last one it has for 3. And they all have foam props or whatever on them that you can use. Let me tighten them so they won't move. Okay. This is how they go. And it has where I plug this cord here in the back. Right there. Goes in there. And it has USB ports also. And this is where I guess I'm supposed to pull this down, this lever. And it goes on this. And you screw it in. Wow. This is something. And make sure I'm doing it right. Okay, then you lock it. I'm going to bring it down some so you guys can see, since it's so tall. There. Bring it down where you guys can see it, and it leans forward and backwards, wherever it wants to cast the light at. As long as you have this right here locked in. Hope you guys can see it. Okay? And then I tighten this, and this will keep it at the angles that they're supposed to be in. So, there. With the remote. And that's all to it. I'm going to try and plug it up and turn it on for you guys. I'm going to see if I can turn it on. I don't know if you guys can see it or a difference with it being so much sunlight. But see? Look at the O of it all. See? I know I shouldn't have it like that. It's supposed to be casting on me, but this is it. Alright guys. This was the last thing I had to show you, and this is the last of this video. Don't forget to like, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you can receive more notifications for more videos and different things that I have on my channel as we grow. Okay? Bye!